So I had this problem where after building my shop, uh, this rock was left over from building the shop. It came from right over here where the concrete company poured the surround. They had to cut away the bank here, and this rock came out of the bank. They simply flipped it up here and left it, which was fine. Wasn't their responsibility. But now I need to get rid of it. It's too big to go in my tractor. It's too big and it's too heavy. So I need to make it smaller. How to make it smaller? So I got online, did a little research, and I came across this rock breaking kit from Amazon. Came with about a half a dozen of these guys and a drill bit. I already had the hammer drill, and so I ordered it. It's about 40 bucks for that kit. About 6 pieces in there, and it just came in yesterday, so I came out here and put it to work. I didn't know what to expect, but it did better than I thought it was going to do. This rock was about 30% bigger on this side right here. I've already split off about that much, about 30% of it. You can see I took about 4 of these guys and split the rock right there in those grooves. So basically you drill the hole with your hammer drill, drill the hole, you drop those pieces in, and as you hammer those pieces, the pressure splits the rock. So it was actually a really cool thing to see, because it's, splitting rocks, how often do you get to see that? So I thought I might try to record this, see if you guys like it. I'm going to set the camera down, show you a little bit more about how this works. So in this kit, you've got these feathers. What these are called, feathers. And when you drill the rock, you drop the feathers in, and then you insert the wedge like so. And then as you hammer the wedge drops in, splits the feathers apart, which splits the rock apart. Easy peasy, right? Let's see. All right, so we're trying this again because previous setup just fractured off some rock right off the top here. I drilled here and here, and all it did was fracture off the top of the rock. So we've reset up, drilled 3 new holes here, going lengthways across here, across the rock, fairly in a straight line, sort of. You normally want to have these in straight over the line as you can get. And see how we do. This doesn't take a lot of hammer pressure. You want to let the tools do the work. This is just a 2-pound hammer, and you're just working back and forth across the rock. I'd say light to medium pressure on the hammer stroke. I can see it breaking across the face right here already, following our chisel marks. Here it pops. Start to get that hollow sound. Keep driving till it splits completely in half. That's how you split a rock.